Hey guys, this is Doc Neo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a very special day. Unboxing na naman tayo ng gadgets. At alam nyo yun ang favorite ko. So ngayon, ito ang ating i-unbox. Oh, ito na yung label. But wala. This is the Ecosphere. Ano ba? Ecosphere or Ecosphere? Ayan. So, ang company niya is under Newskin. Baba muna dito. Discuss ko lang briefly why I decided to get this. So, technically, it's a water filtration system and hindi naman ako technically maselan, okay, sa tubig. Pero I just noticed na, yun na, ang daming content na lumalabas lately about microplastics and how it affects us. So, yun na notice ko kasi kami, by nagpapa-water refilling station. Nothing against your water refilling stations ha. So, usually mga 10 or ilang beses, ilang tanks yung pinapa-deliver namin. And sometimes, unfortunately, nabibilad pa siya sa araw. Parang gano'n. Tapos, upon research, first and foremost nga pala, disclaimer, lahat ng sabihin ko dito is not medical advice, just for entertainment, for educational purposes din lang. So yun, kapag kasi matagal na yung water sa mga plastic bottles, nalileach yung plastics and of course na absorb ng system natin and can cause to mga other ailments or problems or diseases. I won't go into the levels of that, pero what more kapag yung water containers parang luma na or matagal na and or yun nga, yung kapag nabababad. Tapos parang may nagsabi sa akin na parang once kahit bago yung container supposedly, limited lang yung kanyang time span na dapat mong gamitin actually. And or pag binuksan mo, dapat makonsume mo na agad yung water. So, yun yung problem na nakita ko and I was trying to look for a solution na practical, parang ganyan. And, of course, nanggaling na rin kami sa meron kami dating distiller, parang distillation machine, which is very slow kasi alam niyo na yung process of distilling, parang i-evaporate tapos i-condense, so patak-patak lang siya. Number 2, it's super expensive yung units na yun. And ano pa ba? And number 3, it's very big yung system. Okay? So, nakita ko yung Ecosphere and syempre, ang first reaction ko is to look for other options din na mas mura kasi I feel na parang medyo mataas din yung presyo. So, naghanap ako ng iba. Ang nakita kong mga filtration systems is very big system setup nga. Tapos yung mga mura lang na nakikita mo sa Shopee or other is kumbaga ganun din bulky siya. Tapos alam niyo sa mga schools at sa mga ibang buildings na napuntahan ko na may supposedly filter. Napapansin ko napapabayaan siya. Like yung likod, ang dumi na and ganyan. So in short, hindi siya mahirap siyang i-maintain. Well, nakita ko dun sa Ecosphere is parang automatic na siya. Meron na siyang sarili niyang system to tell you when it's time to change the filters. So parang yan. Gusto ko yung convenient na maliit lang na setup, na hindi intrusive. And of course, yung mag-guarantee naman ako sa safety and the quality ng water. So yun ang pinili ko. So yun. Cut to the unboxing kasi unboxing video lang naman ito. So anyways. Let's use our sa aking nahiwagang gunting. So baba ko muna ito lang. Let's do it like this para kita nyo pa rin. So ayan, don't use a cutter daw. So okay. Fragile. Oops. Wow. Parang Apple product, no? So gadget din pa rin naman ito technically. And we lift it up. Let's go. Dito pala ng kanyang packaging. So ayan yung box niya, guys. Ecosphere Water Purifier. May matono na. Joke lang. Ayan, so what's inside? Ayan, so merong user manual, which I don't read. Pero I will give time para basahin yan to make sure na okay yung operation. And then, oops. Hindi ba siyang i-invert? Hindi naman. Kaya ko to. Kaya ko to. Marami ka na pinagdaanan na sarili mo lang. Baka baka malaglag. Okay. Yan. So, isa-isahin natin yung naman. First is, I think this is the filter na ito yung kapag usually daw naglalast ng around 1 year regular household use, pero let's see. Ayan. And we have this is the faucet adapter kit kasi supposedly you'll be able to install it by yourself. It's very simple lang. So, ito bang sukat. Meron siyang special wrench. And hopefully, shumot yan. And then, yung last, I think this is the last, is the unit. So, ayun guys, pag yung mga family outing pala, you can actually transport this. Very nice. So, ito yung unit. And syempre, meron siya sariling adapter and of course, yung hose na ikakabit mo sa hose. So guys, yun yung laman ng product box. This is just an unboxing lang naman. So lang ipakita sa inyo kung ano laman. Pero, mga next videos ko is I will teach or at least demonstrate kung paano natin ito i-install properly. And marami pang ibang content. So again, yun lang. This is Doc Neo saying, be informed, stay inspired. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. So again, ito yung Ecosphere na water filtration system.